Welcome to Fast Road Vehicle Solutions. My name's Tommy and today we're working on our E90 M3. Modifications that we've already done on the vehicle. We've got an uprated air filter, we've got an exhaust which I'll show you now. So we've replaced the standard primary cats with silencers. The secondaries we have sports cats, so it should still pass emissions. And then we have two silencers and a modified back box, which we've done a video on previously. We've put the uprated ACL rod bearings on there, also changed all the bolts as well. Now, this is something that we'd recommend doing on every M car really. If you don't know the history of the vehicle, you don't know how regular it's been serviced, and you don't know if they've been done in the past, then we'd recommend them getting done. This is a service that we can offer. So the next stage for us now is, because we've got the exhaust and the air filter, we're happy with the rod bearings, we know they're safe. The next stage for us now is we're going to put a stage 2 tune on the car. We're going to get rid of the VMAX, so we're going to get rid of the top speed limiter. We're also going to have a very light burble on there as well, and a slightly raised rev limit. So we'll get the car down, we're happy with everything underneath the car, we've inspected it already. So we'll get the car down and we'll put the tune on now. So that's the stage 2 tune uploaded. We're going to go out and test the car now and do a few data logs, and here's a few clips for you to enjoy. Right, that went really well. The stage 2 tune is definitely made a big difference. So there's a few more things that we need to do to the car, but first of all I'm going to check the logs just to make sure it's running okay. Next thing, I think we definitely need a bit more noise, so in the next episode we're going to be making the exhaust a little bit louder. So make sure you like and subscribe for future episodes.